again.
How's it going? Looks good.
That was the girl. That was the girl. Hi, Judy.
She's on the phone. Her birthday is Friday, so make sure everybody says happy birthday to Paula. We have no anniversaries this week. A few announcements. On Monday, we're going to start the week off right with a lunch cookout. So make sure that you come and let us know that you're coming. So we have enough food and drinks and fun stuff.
Who is that on your back?
So does she know what I have in store for her? The project was long and very involved.
What are you wearing? What is this? What is all this stuff?
Yay! That was from Dr. A, by the way. All right, anybody got anything else?
What are you doing with GoPro on? To see what sunshine sees in a day. That's so funny. You are so pretty. Thank you for the gifts.
Hi, sunshine. Okay. If you find it, great. If not, I mean, I could just add corny as well.
All I got into Megan's number is, the sheet is 144 by 30-inch sheets. So it's 30 square feet per sheet. Using those dimensions,
the percentage of the actual piece, and I'm gonna show how to do it. And then, the other development was how to get those pieces out of one.
you just gonna stare at me?
Hey, Chrissy. So nice to have you.
Shouldn't they just be able to put like on the BOM, like this is square footage? Or you need this for that piece? And then that's
Okay, you can go see Chrissy. Go see Chrissy. There we go. Go see Glenn. There we go.
Green.
Good job. Doing some good work, Sunshine.
Dr. A has some questions. Yeah.
These are awesome, but I'm not about to live on the fire. It gets up to hot enough. Sometimes when someone says something that's so catchy, I'll just say it and just say, so your mind is going repeating stuff. Was a bad part. And it's move out with the Irish. I'm trying to open. That's the only thing that we give some kind of a hard.
Yeah, yeah. And I guess that was my thing. I'm like,